Hey everyone, if you're running a social media marketing agency, you know sending professional proposals is key to winning clients. Today we're comparing Google Docs and PandaDoc to find the best way to send SMMA proposals. Let's break it down. First, Google Docs. Google Docs is a free, cloud-based tool for creating and editing documents. It's super simple. You can write a proposal, add text, images, and tables, and share it with a link or as a PDF. It's great for teamwork since multiple people can edit at the same time. Plus, it works on any device and you can access it anywhere with an internet connection. But it's not built for proposals specifically, so you'll need to design everything yourself. And it doesn't have e-signatures or tracking features. Now, PandaDoc. PandaDoc is a paid platform designed for proposals and contracts. It has a drag and drop editor to create polished proposals fast with tons of templates to make your SMMA pitch look professional. You can add e-signatures so clients can sign right away and track when they view or sign your proposal. It also connects with tools like HubSpot or Stripe for payments. The downside? It's not free. Plans start at $35 per user per month, and it might feel complex for simple needs. So which is better? For SMMA proposals, it depends on your needs. Google Docs is best if you're on a tight budget, need something quick, and don't mind manually designing your proposal. It's great for small teams who already use Google tools. But if you want to impress clients with professional designs, save time with templates, and close deals faster with e-signatures and tracking, PandaDoc is the way to go, especially for growing agencies. The catch is the cost, so weigh that against your budget. That's it. Google Docs for free and simple, PandaDoc for pro-level polish. Which one fits your SMMA? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.